Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh wow. My hand smells bastema, bastama, bastinga, whatever you call so. And my ear is also burning now because I ate king chili, guys. Uh,
Yeah. Yeah.
Amma.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So guys, I just ate something very spicy, hot and spicy, and it's it's burning. It's burning my stomach, burning my nose, my lips, my whole mouth. I ate green chili, guys, and डकार आना चालू हो गया, साथ में हिकअप.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not because I ate or I have took this cold drink or anything. No, it's not because of cold drink. It's because of too much spicy. So bye guys, enough for tonight.